Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate your new debit card from Punjab National Bank through your web browser. So first, you're going to open your web browser, and on the address bar or your Google search bar, you can type in PNB or Punjab National Bank. Then you're going to click on the first link that you see from PNB. Let the page load. Once the page loads, you're going to click on internet banking right here. Then you're going to see these two options. If you're using PNB for personal purpose, you're going to click on retail internet banking, or if you're using the bank account for some business related stuffs, you're gonna click on corporate internet banking. So I'm just gonna click on retail internet banking for now. Let the page load, and you're gonna hit in your user ID right there. Click on continue. Then it'll ask you for a password and some two-factor authentication like a OTP or an email to your email address. So once you sign in on your account, you go to the main page and find a section called debit card. Once you find the section, there will be a option called activate your debit card. You click on it. Once you click it, there will be a list of steps or instructions presented to you. You need to follow the steps and give all the information related to that. Once you completed all the steps and instructions, you have successfully activated for your debit card. If this content helps you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.